and they faint. That time Narada Rishi, he meditated to Lord and asked, where have I come? Well, then Lord told to the heart of Narada Rishi, hey Narada Rishi, actually you have come in the place of Shetadip. Shetadip means the Viraha island. Then separation island. Viraha. And Vrindavan is called Madhurya Dham, Harit Khetra. For this regard, our Goswami used this word Vipralambamaya Sthan Navadip. Navadip Dham is called the embodiment of Vipralamba, Viraha. Our Vrindavan Dham is called the Sambhogmaya Dham. And Vrindavan Dham also Viraha, they are also. And Navadip Dham also meeting there. But mostly also Viraha Katha. Mahaprabhu's Katha ba Mahaprabhu's Dham Katha mostly are Viraha. Or Vrindavan Dham is called Milan. So, use this word, Vrindavan Dham is called Sambhogmaya Dham. Or Navadip Dham is called, but Shetadip Dham is called Vipralambamaya Dham. So, use this word also same, Vipralambamaya Tanu Sachinandan Gaur Hari. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body, that is called embodiment of separation. Falar dele Português.
O Gurudev está falando que o corpo de Chaitanya Mahaprabhu é a personificação da separação. E em Vrindavana é a terra do encontro e Navadvipa da separação, mas que dentro de Vrindavana também existe separação, dentro de Navadvipa também existe encontro. Só que a separação mais forte em Navadvipa, e por último explicou que Mahaprabhu, o corpo dele é a personificação da separação.
These things. And our Vrindavan Dham, that is called Milanatmak Dham. And but without separation, meeting will be not, and what is called tasteful. And understand? For this regard, Yogamaya, she arranged Viraha. Where? In Vrindavan. And because Milan, Viraha, Viraha, Milan. And this is then increasing the prem. No bina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute. Then Viraha is called the arrangement, how more and more relish will come to meeting. If you are hungry, then your appetite will come to eat. You are feeling separation from food. Food for life. What did he say? Sometimes joking, we may understand or not. Food for life. Why do you want food? But I am hungry. You want food? If you are hungry, I will give food, then you are very happy. Or if you are not hungry, I give to food you, then you, this is sweet or not? Who gave you, who offered to Thakurji, which devatas, Kali, Shiv, Durga or Krishna? Or if you are very hungry, if I give you very nice, beautiful apple, and Kashmiri apple, Kashmir apple is very nice. And India, different places, different fruits are very prominent, prasiddha. And understand? Mango from Bombay, apple from Kashmir, and Kashmir. Understand? Do you understand? So if I give very nice, beautiful, what do you want? Mango or apple? What do you want? Mango, okay. Bombay mango. In India, Bombay mango is very sweet. Understand? They advertise. The mango has come from Bombay. If you are very hungry, you are not asked this mango has come from. Where has it come from? Give and take and. Or if you are not hungry, then you ask this mango has come from where? Bombay or Brazil, England. Many questions will come. Why I am saying? Because everything depends on your appetite. And appetite coming from your biraha, food. You are suffering from hunger. So you want to have food. But in this material world, if you eat food, then certain time you are not eat. But I am satisfied. But in the realm of prema rajya, that is also increase more and more. More vipralamba and more milan. Understand? You cannot imagine. So for this regard, you then no bina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute. Without separation, meeting will be not realizable. Understand? In the same way, for this regard, Jogmaya. In Vrindavan, sometimes they also arrange separation from Krishna to Gopi. Though they are eternally staying with Krishna, Nitya, because they are eternally Krishna's Sakti. Sakti Matur Ravedo. There are no difference between Sakti and Saktiman. So Gopis, they are Sakti or not? Sakti. They are there. As like give an example, fire and the heat of the fire. Agni Dahika Sakti. And you cannot separate. Staying together. But in transcendental world, Krishna and Gopis, they are always together. Also, Jogmaya arranges what? Separation. Why? Now how Gopis they feel? Separation. And this separation meeting, when after separation, when the meeting, then more realizable prem coming. So 4 types of separation or 4 types of meeting. Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vaichitta. The 4 types of separation. Are in the same way 4 types of also meeting. And what are the 4 types of? Sankhipta, Sankirno, then Sambridhaman, or another Sampurna. Check. Answer this. So according to the separation, meeting will be realizable. How much you feel separation, in the same way you can, the meeting will be realizable. This is the thing. So this thing also explained this way. Fala português.
Então, o Gurudev está explicando que existem 4 tipos de separação e 4 tipos de encontro. E de acordo com o nível de separação, aí o sabor, né? Você vai poder saborear o encontro de acordo com o nível da separação.
Understand? In this material what? When you Namoradha, na? What is it called? Namoradha. Feeling separation. When meeting together, then heart overjoyed. So that means is what? Separation creates the realizable to meet. Understand? Separation. So Navadvip Dham, why I am saying everything? Navadvip Dham, This also. That's what this Navadvip Dham is called Shetadvip Dham. And Sheta, this word is coming from Viraha, Virahatmak Dham, Navadvip Dham. And Vrindavan Dham is called Milan Atmak Dham. Follow.
Você falou que Navadvipa se chama Svetadvipa Dham, que quer dizer essa palavra Sveta, na verdade quer dizer separação, e Vrindavana é Milana Atma Dham, que é a morada do encontro.
This is true. Understand? So this is so this Katha also explained when Narada Rishi arrived in the place and saw everybody completely fainted and everybody as like white color. Seta. Shetadvip. That time Lord told to Hey Narad, actual this place is called Shetadvip Dham. Or called also Navadvip Dham. Navadvip means Nava means 9. Deepa means island. 9 islands. Understand? That is called Navida Bhakti Pithasthal Navadvip Dham. Fala.
Você está falando que Navadvipa, Nava quer dizer 9, Dipa quer dizer ilhas, e Navadvipa também quer dizer Navada Bhakti, os 9 processos de Bhakti.
How many bhaktis? Types of bhakti? Navida Bhakti. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasya Sakkvatma Nivedanam, Ete Pungsarvita, Vishnu Bhaktischedana Valakchana. Tanmanne Adhita Uttama. What is the line? Prahlad Maharaj, he told there are 9 limbs of bhakti. Sravanam, Kirtanam. You are listening Hari Katha. This is called what bhakti? Sravanam bhakti. I am speaking. This is called Kirtanakka bhakti. Sravanam Kirtanam. Smaranam. Who translating? What are you doing? Smaran. What I am saying? Listening and remembering, then translating. If you proper listen, then proper remembrance. Then proper way, you have to translate. This is true. So you have 3 there. Sravanakka bhakti, Kirtanakka bhakti and Smaranakka bhakti. Who is a translator? His mind is one-pointed. Understand? Every word, listening. If you not listen every word, you cannot properly translate. Some translator just gazing. Because when speaker speaking very quickly, repeat. That is, maybe this word. Udokai Govinda, I know. So speaker have to speak very softly and gently. Then translator will be translate properly. This is true or wrong? If I speak very speedy, very difficult to translate or not? Because he cannot catch in his brain, cannot remember. One word one by one. So Sravanakka Bhakti. What is it? Navadvip Dham, that is called Navavidha Bhakti Pithasthal. Understand? What did he say? Navadvip Bhakti. Navadvip Dham. Why you call Navadvip Dham?
Place of Navada Bhakti.
The
place of Navada Bhakti.
9 limbs of bhakti there. Sravanakka Bhakti, Kirtanakka Bhakti, Smaranakka Bhakti. You see? 9 limbs of bhakti and 9 island. How the island is coming? Where the island? Ganga Devi. She does not want to go out from Navadvip Dham. Understand? Ganga, she is coming from what is called? Brahmaji's Kamandul. Then coming in here, Sargaloka. Sargaloka, her name is what? Phala. Vrindavan Palika. Phala. Mandakini. Sarga Mandakini. Remember, in Sarga Loka, heavenly planet, Ganga's name is called Mandakini. What did he say? Mandakini. Huh? Our Prithvi Lok, her name is called Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi. Because Bhagirath Maha, Bhagirathi. Ganga or Bhagirathi. Ganga or Bhagirathi. And Bhagirath Maharaj brought her for this regard. Ganga's one name is called Bhagirathi. And Ganga and Jannavi, her name also. Oi Jannavi. Where is he? Disappeared. Phala. Why name you Jannavi? Huh? Whose name is Jannavi? Are Ganga Devi. Jannu Rishi. This katha is that when Ganga Devi, she came in Navadvip Dham. And Bhagirath also, or the blew the conch. And then going, Ganga's stream going. You should learn your name. Your high name is very auspicious name. Huh? Understand? Then Jannu Rishi, one Rishi, he was meditating, doing Archan, his all paraphernalia put there. Then Ganga Devi, she, what is it called? Took away. Then Jannu Rishi became very angry. Jannu Rishi took Ganga Jal on his mouth and drank everything. Then Bhagirath, he turned his face. Hey, where is Ganga? Oh, Ganga now in the stomach of Jannu Rishi. Then Bhagirath do stop stuti the Jannu Rishi. Jannu Rishi will, okay, please. Jannu Rishi, he cut his thigh. This is called Janu. Understand this? Then Ganga Devi manifested. And Jannu Rishi is from the body of Jannu Rishi, Ganga manifested. For this regard, Ganga's one name is called Jannavi. Jannavi Puline. What is song? Kave Gauravane Suradhani Tate Haradhe Ha Krishna Bole Kandiya Bidabo Deha Sukha Chari Nana Lota Toru Tole. Jannavi Puline, also this one. Jannavi Puline, the bank of Ganges. So Ganga's one name is called Jannavi. Because again he manifested from the body of Jannu Rishi, and especially Jannu Rishi's thigh. This. So for this her name is called Jannavi. Jannavi Puline. This is Ganga's. So Ganga Devi, just I will come back. Ganga Devi, she does not want to go out from Navadvip Dham. Why? Because she realized Sachinandan Gaur Hari, who is the combined form of Radha and Krishna, will perform sweet lila in Navadvip Dham. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And Navadvip Dham Mahatma glorified. She realized, yes, soon Sachinandan Gaur Hari, and who is the combined form of Radha and Krishna, perform sweet lila in Navadvip Dham. For this, I have to serve Sachinandan Gaur Hari. For this regard, Ganga Devi, Jannavi, she does not go out from Navadvip. And she was world-fooling. One place to one place. Understand? Going to this. You see the map of Navadvip Dham, how Ganga is flowing. This. Actually, this is making the nine islands. Antardip, Simantadip, Godrumdip, Madhadip, Kuladip, Ritudip, Jannadeep, Madhudrum Deep, Rudradeep, and then Karnika, Mayapur. Understand? As like lotus blossom, then 8 petals. Understand? 8 island is the petals of lotus, and middle also Mayapur. Jogapit Mayapur. So in this Ganga Devi, she is flowing. He does not want. This is and we are going also what is called Samudra God. Understand? So Samudra means ocean. Ocean is thinking, oh, my wife, Jannavi, or what is her name? Ganga, she is very fortunate because she is meeting with such Gaura Sundar. For this regard, Samudra, means ocean also coming in and meet with Ganga. For this regard, that place is called Samudra God. We are going Samudra God. You went? Samudra God. Very nice, beautiful place. Where Samudra Sen, and he also defeat to Bhimsen. That katha is very nice. Gurudev and Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, he took the role of Bhimsen. Bhimsen, understand? Arshala Gurudev, he took the role of Samudra Sen. And then they also very nice, beautiful, loving quarrel, prema kalaha. Samudra God katha, very nice. These things. Why I am saying? Because Samudra God means ocean. Ocean thinking, oh, my wife, Jannavi or Ganga, she is great fortune because she is meeting with Sachinandana Gaur Hari. And for this God, Samudra thinking, I have to little bit and take some mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because without this mercy of Sachinandana Gaur Hari, Gaura Kripa, you cannot understand Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavan Lila. So Navadvip Dham, Navadvipa, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, apart from many Leelas also. Vidyar Vilas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. His childhood pastime is also sweet. Understand? Dekho dekho yasi jatana devasi amaro gauranga chande. Dekho dekho yasi jatana devasi amaro gauranga chande. Are prabhate uthiya anchal dhoriya nani de ma boli kande. Prabhate uthiya अंचल धरिया ननी दे माँ बोली कांदे. खुदार जालाय प्राण जाय माँ दे माँ ननी दे. खुदार जालाय प्राण जाय माँ दे माँ ननी दे. शशि माता सी सिंह और सिंह আমি নহি গোয়ালিনী কোথা পাবননি একই বিষম হইল. আমি নহি গোয়ালিনী কোথা পাবন. Sachi Mata is saying, I am not the wife of milkman. Understand? I am Brahmani. Brahmani, understand? The wife of Brahmana. And in my house, no butter. Here Nimai keep patient. When sun will rise, I will go the house of milkman. Then I will bring butter for you. But baby Nimai what saying? Udhar jalaye pran jaye ma de de ma nani de. O mother, Shachi Devi. And I cannot tolerate my hunger. And there are many kinds of medicine you can take for your disease. But what is the medicine of hunger? What is the medicine for hunger? Food. So here Nimai also saying, baby Nimai saying, and oh my mother Shachi Devi, and I am very hungry. Sometimes devotee is saying, Gurudev, you are hungry. Are now 2 o'clock? Hungry. Why not hungry? Why you usually question this? Are bring prasad quick. 2 o'clock, sometimes they are asking. Gurudev, are you hungry? Sometimes you are not. Chastisement. Yes. Because if I said maybe he will not bring hunger, he will be angry. Not bring more or something. Sometimes devotee is asking, hey Gurudev, are you hungry? I'm like, what is the time now? Well, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Hey, pagal. Why not hungry? But sometimes very soft. Because I'm thinking if I chastise him, maybe she will not bring prasad. Are bring quick. And here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, Bal Gopal, Bal Nimai. Bal Nimai is baby Nimai. Early in the morning, he waked up and pulled the sari of Sachi Mata. Saying, Prabhate Utiya, Anchala Dhariya, Nani de ma boli kande. Oh my mother, give me butter. Mahaprabhu's childhood pastime, very sweet. More than Krishna. Look there. Sachi Mata she saying, Dekha dekha yasi, Jatana devasi, Amara gauranga chande. Hey residents of Navadvip, please come. See my son's Nimai's activities. What is it? Prabhati Utiya. Nimai, he waked up early in the morning and pulled my sari and crying, Mother, give me butter. Are take puff rice. Bengali's house, every time you get is what? Puff rice. If you go Bengal, prachar. Everybody's house you can get which things? Puff rice. This is their main food. Understand? Brazilian main food? Beans. Okay. Rice. She's saying chickpeas. Puff rice. But when so Sachi Mata told, Nimai, keep patient. Are take the puff rice. Mudi. No. I want is what? Butter. Sachi Mata, Hari Baba. I am not wife of milkman. I mean, nahi Goalini. Who am I? Sachi Mata saying, I am Brahmani. The wife of Jagannath. I mean, nahi Goalini. Katha pavanani. Why will get this? Are keep patient. But Nimai what is saying? Khudhar jalaye pran jaye ma. De ma nani de. Baby Nimai saying, my mother, I am very hungry. And I take this puff rice. Nimai saying, no. I want is what? What do you want? Butter. Makhan. Saying, Sachi Mata is saying, oh, big calamity has come. In my life now, big calamity. Bisamo jala. You hoilo, bisamo jala. Saying. This verse is. What will do now? And Nimai, baby Nimai, rolling on the ground. Sometimes baby are very stubborn. If you give another thing, no. What is wants? Want this. Give. and beating mom. With her legs, with her hand. Sometimes also her. Push her. Huh? Sometimes baby are doing no. Sometimes you are continue. Huh? Baby are very stubborn. Huh? Huh? Baby completely hard. Less intelligent. Not thinking. No, mom. Same way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his Supreme Personality of God, is saying Bhagavan, knowing this human being Leela. Huh? 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 So saying this. I mean, nahi goalini kotha pavan eki বিষম হই শুনেছি পুরাণে নন্দের ভবনে এসেছিল কৃষ্ণ রায়. Then Sachimata continue in this song explain. I heard from Srimad Bhagavatam. Puran means Bhagavad Puranam. Which Puran? Bhagavad. Say. What he said? Sunechi Purane Nandira Bhavane. In the house of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna came. And sometimes Krishna also very stubborn. Understand this? So same way my son, Nimai, very stubborn is one. No, I want butter. So Sunechi Purane Nandera Bhavane Esechila Krishna Rai. That means compare Suchimata compare with her son Nimai and with Krishna. Krishna also he was stubborn. What to do? So saying this, again using the one. Dekho dekho yasi jatana devasi amara gauranga chande prabhati uthiya anchala dhoriya nani de ma boli kande ami nahi goalini kotha pavanani eki বিষম হইল শুনেছি পুরাণে নন্দের ভবনে এসেছিল কৃষ্ণ রায়. একদিন প্রভাতে উঠিয়া, next Sachimata, she is remembering another pastimes of Gaur Sundar. What is it? একদিন প্রভাতে উঠিয়া অঙ্গনা দাঁড়াইয়া ত্রিভঙ্গ হইয়া সে যে মুরলী বাজায়. Here in this song also explain, Padakarta is speaking. One day Nimai, maybe 3 years old Nimai, Bal Nimai. He wake up early in the morning and he became 3-fold Tribhanga and also played the flute. Where did he get the flute? And very nicely, gently, and Nimai was playing the flute. So ek din prabhati utiya tribhanga hoiya se je murali bajay. Sachimata she saw with her eyes. Yeah, how baby Nimai, 3 years old baby Nimai, and 3-fold and plays flute. So Sachimata seems sometimes confused. My son Nimai, is he Krishna? That time Sachimata seems no, how possible? My son Nimai, he will be Krishna. It is impossible. Krishna only he comes in the what is it called? Navadvip Dham. What do you call? Vrindavan Dham. Krishna, and he took birth from the womb of mother Jashoda. And which dynasty? Phala. Gopa dynasty. Krishna, he came, which dynasty? Gopa dynasty. Srimad Bhagavad explain. Or my son Nimai, how possible he is Krishna? It is impossible. Because I am Brahman Jati. and Brahman dynasty. So how possible and Krishna will appear in my house in the form of Nimai? Huh? So Sachimata sometimes is confused. But she saw with her own eyes how Nimai, three-band-fold, and plays flute. Very nice. So saying, Ekdin Prabhati Uthiya, Angana Dadaiya. Angana means he stood on the courtiers of Sachimata, Sachira Bhavani. And Tribhanga Hoya. He manifests three-band-fold and played the flute. So Sachimata singing these verse. Kya my son Nimai is he Krishna? No, impossible. Because this is called Gada Vatsalya. What is it? What does it mean? Gada Gada Vatsalya. Motherhood, deep motherhood and love and affection. Gada Vatsalya Bhav. Understand? Pala, how did he say? Pala Portuguese, English pala.
Deep motherhood, love and affection.
Deep motherhood, love and affection. And if you have deep motherhood, love and affection, and you will not think, Krishna is Bhagavan. This is also. Sachimata, in the same way, she has deep motherhood, love, affection with Sachinandan Gaurhari, Nimai. For this regard, she saw Nimai manifesting three-band-fold Krishna form and playing flute. But where did he get the flute? Who knows? Understand? Because Jogmasi arranged. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, Bhagavatta, there. Where did he get the flute? Nimai, where did he get the flute? Jogmasi arranged. Sachimata said, but Sachimata, she did not think Nimai is Krishna. Gada Vatsalya Bhav. This. Understand? This is the. Understand? So I am saying because in Navadvip Dham, Mayapur, Krishna performs, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai performs sweet Leela. That is called Antardip Mayapur. Bhakti's Pitasthav, Yogapit, Mayapur. And Brahma's also that is called Jaggasthali. And Brahmaji, he performed fire sacrifice in that place. One day I told, here, many times I did fire sacrifice. Understand? Not one time. I think more than 100 times did fire sacrifice while we sitting. And that is this temple, this place is completely open. Now temple, good, nice temple, good. Actually, before this what? Completely empty. Temple was that side. So I did many fire sacrifices. So in the same way, Brahmaji, he performed fire sacrifice. Where? Phala? Mayapur, Jogapit Mayapur. Brahmaji, Jaggasthali, Bhajanasthali. Brahmaji, he stole Krishna's cowherd boys and cups. Then Brahmaji was thinking, I am offender, aparadhi. For this regard, Brahmaji, he came in Navadvip Dham, Mayapur, because he realized Brahmaji. They soon, Krishna, he will appear in Navadvip Dham in the form of Sachinandan Gaurahari. And only thus mercy of Gaurahari, then all my offenses will disappear. For this regard, many years, thousand years, Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities, performed fire sacrifice. in that place. Where the Antardip Mayapur. So for this God, this is called Brahma's Jagasthali. Huh? Huh? Very sweet place. If you go Navadvip Dham, Mayapur, especially Mayapur, all your ways will be destroyed. If you go another place, that is called Aparad Bhanjan Sthal, and all your offenses automatically are destroyed. Huh? Huh? Everybody come. Very nice, beautiful. What is the name? Aparad Bhanjan Petasthan. All your aparad will get destroyed. Bhanjan means destroy. Just to sleep. Then Mahaprabhu is saying, oh, he is doing pranam to me. No need to other things. No need bhajan, sadhan, nothing. Just lay down. Oi. Like Navadvip Dham. It's nice. If you go Navadvip Dham, just to sleep, lay down. All your offenses are there. No need bhajan sadhan. If we do bhajan sadhan, what benefit will get? Who will decide? Only Nityananda will decide. What kinds of fruit? Nityananda will give. So go Navadvip Dham, Gaura Dham. Understand? Everything is there. What will the Braj? That everything is there. Krishna told to Srimati Radhike, hey Radhe, now Kali Yuga has come. And conditioned soul, they completely affected with Kali. Kali means is Kalahang Latiti Kali. Always quarreling. And committing sinful activity again and again. Conditioned soul, they committed same sinful activity again and again. And Kale Dosanidhi Rajana. And Kali Yuga means is conditioned soul. They completely, addicted with sinful activities. This is the nature. The nature of Kali Jivas. As like scorpion. Scorpion, understand? Biting. Again, don't bite. No. Because the nature of scorpion. Kali Jivas is as like his what? Scorpion. So how they will rectify? How they will be purified? How they will bhajan in sadhan? How they will attain to Krishna Bhakti? So for this regard, Krishna told to Srimati Radhike, hey Radhe, my one very nice, beautiful dham. That is called Navadvip Dham. So please you come with me in my Navadvip Dham. I will perform sweet leela there. Srimati Radhika, she told, no. I don't want to go out from Braj, Vrindavan. Vrindavanam Prittajam Padamekam Nagachit. No, I will not go. You go. You may go. I will not go. Krishna told, hey Radhe, if you not go, if I alone will go, I cannot deliver the scorpion. You understand scorpion? Kalihata Jiva. Not possible. I completely what? Defeat. So please come with me. Both you and me go. Then maybe deliver the scorpion. Yes, scorpion means what is that? Kalihata Jiva. Understand? Srimati Radhika said, no. I don't want to go. And told him, you go. Then Krishna again and again, hey Siddhadhi, please come. my Navadvip Dham. Then Srimati Radhika said, okay, may I go? But one condition. If there is no Giriraj Govardhan, no Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, no gopis, cows, Jamuna, I will not go there. Then Krishna told, hey Radhe, in my Yoga Maya, and I will manifest my Radha Kunda, your Radha Kunda. Srimati Radhika best Kunda's name is called what? Radha Kunda. So I will manifest the Radha Kunda. Sam Kunda, Giriraj, Govardhan, gopis, everything. Then Srimati Radhika, she agree. Okay, I go with you. But then Krishna told, hey Radhe, mera ek binati, mane I pray another prayer. And Krishna very clever. First approve. And what approve? Sri Radhika, she told, come with him. Then Krishna saying another, hey Radhe, another my prayer unto lotus feet. What is that? You told, I will go with you. Another word, because you told all my Vrindavan Dham would manifest in there, Navadvip Dham. I will go. What is your another? Prayer. Hey Radhe, tell. I am very shy. Krishna, very humble. And if you take some works from some persons, you will be very humble. Please. This is your room. Or you hey, do this. What? Get out. This is your room. Very humble. Krishna is very humble. Hey Radhe. Radhe ki, tell what you want. Srimati Radhika, she is very clever. She knows everything. But Krishna very humble. Hey Radhe, don't mind. Don't mind. Tell what you want. Because if you take some or someone, they are very humble. Understand me? Please. Then Krishna, you promise? What do you want? What do I want? Yes, why not? I agree, I approve. And your first prayer, next prayer, of course, why not? You ask. Then Krishna sigh, okay. Please. What? Not your female form, Radhika form, no. You come with me, Navadvip Dham, which form? Male form. Just little bit of dress change. Inside you female, no problem. Inside your which form? Female form, no problem. Because you are Radha. Understand? But in your form, what is called? Male form. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Govinda, hey Pran Priyatam. And my desire also this, how to fulfill your desires. Actually, I am not Satantra. Satantra, understand? Independent. Srimati Radhika ji. How Srimati Radhika, she is very humble. Disciple means is what is. Disciple means always very humble. If Guru chastised me, I will be very humble. Except his chastisement. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is very humble. She told, hey Govinda, hey Pran Priyatama, and you are my heart and soul. What do you want? I will perform that activity. Then Srimati Radhika, she appeared in Navadvip Dham. Which form? Gadadhar Pandit. Male form. Look. Then all her Sakhis, Lalita, Visakha, Rupa Manjari, Alice. When Srimati Radhika coming, all there, I will go. Understand? Guru goes, automatically his followers going. Going or not? Eh? Huh. Huh? So Srimati Radhika, when she appears in Navadvip Dham in the form of Gadadhar Pandit. Then Lalita Devi, Vishakha, all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika manifested in their male form. Lalita Devi, she manifested in form of Sarup Damodar. Vishakha Devi, she manifested in the form of Rayaraman. Rupa Manjari, she manifested in the form of Rupa Goswami, Labanga Manjari, everybody. Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami. Though they took birth in different places, but all they assist Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Radha Govinda Seva. Understand? Sometimes Nityananda Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu also appeared in Ekachakra in the form of Nityananda. One day I told very nice, beautiful story also. Understand? Krishna, and after Krishna Lila, Krishna appeared in Aprakrita Golok Vrindavan. Then Krishna is thinking, I'll do another my Lila, Chaturdev Lila, Gaura Lila. And for this regard, Krishna, he called all the devotees of Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Radharaka, Mathura, Vrindavan. Big assembly house. Look like Sudharma Sabha. And Krishna, he called everybody. Then Krishna told, listen, now my Krishna Lila finished. Understand? Your Lila finished. Krishna Lila finished. Now I will perform another drama. Lila. What Lila? Gaura Lila. That time, yes, they are very, yes, Krishna, we are very happy. We want to go with you. Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. And Baladev Prabhu sitting. Very nice, two Singhasan. One for Krishna, another for Baladev Prabhu. And Krishna is the chief. So Krishna making the list. Krishna saying, hey Shiva. Haji. What is my role? Okay, Sadashiv. And another, what is his name? Mahavishnu. Haji. Okay, both combined together. Manifest in the form of Advaita Acharya. Apart from my Leela in Navadvip Dham. Advaita Acharya. Okay. Hey, Hanuman. Are Ajodhya. Haji. What is your role? Murari Gupta. Okay. So in this way, Krishna making list. What kinds of role? These are things. Almost everybody has given the role. Understand? Hey, Srimati Radhika, your role will be Gadadhar. Everybody's name. Everybody's name. Very nice list. Almost. But assembly house finished. Then Baladev Prabhu said, hey Krishna, where is my name? You did not write my name, you write your name. And Krishna, I will be Gaura Sundara. Krishna himself wrote his name in Navadvip Lila. My role will be Gaura. Narad Rishi's name, Srivas Thakur. Everybody's name is. Then Baladev Prabhu asked, hey, Krishna, where is my role? You will not take with me? No. Oh my God. How possible I will stay alone here? Hey Krishna, Govinda, without you, how possible I can stay alone in Vaikuntha? Vrindavan Dham. Always I am always with you. How possible forget your Ram Lila Katha? And when you are in forest, And I was with you or not? Lakshman? How did you forget your Krishna Lila? I was always with you, Baladev form, and always protect you. When Krishna, he used to go herding the cows. One side, Baladev Prabhu, or another side, what is his name? One very, which sadhu? Bold sadhu. And one side Baladev, and on a side, what is his name? Madhumar Saman. Very nice, beautiful. Understand? Another also, another Gordo sadhu. Very shakha. Understand? So Baladev Prabhu is saying, and when you were, I was with you. Are you know Gaura Lila, you will not take me? Well, no. I will not take you. Then Baladev Prabhu, hey Krishna, what will you do here? What do I alone? Only eating, sleeping. No. Then Krishna told, Dao bhaiya, suno, listen. You disturb my Leela. I will not take it. I want to the marriage ceremony my sister Subhadra, or you want to marriage ceremony with my sister Duryodhana? Stupid nonsense. Understand? You are not good person. So for them, in my Krishna Lila, Ram Lila, I was exiled. My father Dasarath Maharaj, Ram Lila. Told Ramchandra had to go, what's his name? Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi, she told Ramchandra had to go exile 14 years. When you heard this, you become very angry with my father. So, I will not tell you. You angry with me when Bharat came in fireplace. Chitrakuta. Then Lakshmana become very angry. I will kill Bharat. Oh, Bharat is my best brother. Are you wanted to kill my brother? Bharat. Could you remember? Baladev Prabhu told, yes, in Ram Lila I do. This is my offense. Not only this, when I killed Ravan and take back my wife Sita Devi, I told Sita Devi she had to enter in fire. That time you become very angry with me. So I will not take you. And in my Gaura Lila, I will not take you. Then Baladev Prabhu, hey Krishna, now we promise. In your Gaura Lila, I will not make any objection. Objection is no any complexion. What is called? Complaint. Whatever you want, you can do. So saying is what? Then Krishna wrote down. Okay, now Baladev Prabhu, Baladev, now I am giving your role in Navadvip Lila. What Lila? Nityananda Lila. So for this, then Nityananda, what is it? Nityananda, Akrodha Paramananda, Nityananda Rai, Abhimano Sunna Nitai, Nagare Bedai. अरे जारे देखे तारे कहे दिन हमारे किनिया लह बल गौरव जारे देखे तारे कहे दंते कृष्ण धोरी हमारे किनिया लह बल गौरव गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 लक्ष्मा गौरा 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 गौरा. Look, Same Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in Mahaprabhu's Leela Nityananda. But he is very humble. Akrodha. He never
Becomes angry. Never angry.
never he comes angry. Should Akrodha Paramananda. Parama Ananda. Ale Nityananda Prabhu. Absorbed in full of bliss. Ananda. Gaura Nam. Nityananda sing this song. Gaura 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 hai. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangir Nam re. Jejana Gaura Bhaje se Amar Pran. Nityananda say. And one who chants Gaura Nam, he is my heart and soul. Nityananda Guru Tattva. Guru wants his word. Everybody chant Gaura Gaura. He'll sing Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangero Nam re. Jejana Gaura Bhaje, se hai Amar Pran re. And one who chants holy names, he is my heart and soul. Are you chanting Gaura Nam or not? Hey, Gaura Gayatri you are chanting or not? Gaur Mantra, Gaur Gayatri. Understand? Gaur Mantra and Gaur Gayatri. Completely surrender, lotus feet of Gaura Hari. Saying this. Swaha. Without chanting Gaura Mantra, Gaur Gayatri, you will never receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Guru Padma. You understand? Very important. And Nityananda Prabhu will be very pleased. One who chants Gaur Mantra and Gaur Gayatri. Understand? So Nityananda is saying this way. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangero Nam re. Jejana Gaura Bhaje, se hai Amar Pran re. One who chants Gaura Nam, he is my heart and soul. Nityananda will embrace him today. Guru Padma express. That means joy. Atmasat. Atmasat means completely, what is it called? Accept. One who chants Gaura Nam, Gaur Dham, Gaur Mantra, one who chants Gaur Mantra, Gaur Gayatri, then Nityananda Prabhu will be very happy. So everybody chant. Which mantra? Gaur Mantra and Gaur Gayatri. Don't forget chanting Gaur Mantra and Gaur Gayatri. Chanting or not? Don't stop for chanting Gayatri Mantra. Nityananda, so the Akrodha Paramananda, Nityananda Rai, Abhimana Sunna Nitai, Nagare Bedai. Abhimana Sunna, completely right. Free from all kinds of Abhiman, egos. Nityananda Prabhu. Very humble. Yatheshtra Bhrata Kuru Hari Hari Miha. Nityananda Prabhu, he raised his finger and is saying, oh my brother, oh my sister, listen, I am taking vow. How taking vow? Holding the grass, the grass, Durbagash, Ishwani na, saying this way, Jatheshtra Bhata Hari Hari, Dante Tino Nidhayaka. Nityananda Prabhu, very humble. He is holding the grass under his teeth. This guy humility, they know. And raise his hand, a finger. Oh my brother, oh my sister. I am taking all your responsibilities to deliver from this material world. Just to chant and Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Or you chant Hareti Nama Dayam. Here Hare means Gaura Nam. Gaura Hari. Hari means Gaura Hari Nam. You chant Gaura, 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 Gaura. automatically attain Vrindavan. Same Nitya, so Baladev Prabhu appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. So he's saying, Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhivana Sunnamitai Nagare Vidai Are Jare Dake Tare Kahe Dante Dina Dhori Amare Kiniya Loh Bolagora Eta Boli Nityananda Bhume Gori Jai সোনার পর্বত যেন তুলাতে লুটায় হ্যাঁ song Akrodha Paramananda. You have sung or not? Hey, Manusya. You learning or not? Hey, learn. Krishna Kripa. Heavy chastisement. Then you forget me. Huh? Huh? Janavi forget or not? Hi. Huh? Kanta. Kanta. Eh? What is it? Akrodha Paramananda. Very nice song. Kanta. I'm finished. Take prasadam. Kanta.
Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Raya
Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Raya कोई प्रिंट आउट ना तो अधमपतिता जीवेर हरे हरे नाम मंत्र जय Huh? Yeah? Maybe sometimes the harsh words to don't take my offense. What did he say? Fala por tudo.
O José falou que às vezes ele usa palavras ásperas, mas que ninguém deve tomar ofensa dele.
All who give blessing to me, I have to go Navadvip. Gauradham. All who come in my pocket. Okay, now take prasad. Oi, you print out, go. Give the prasad. What is the name? Unlimited prasad here. Chalo. Give me. What is this? Laddu.
Vai comer tudo liberado.
Tripa birthday. Tripa birthday today, Gurudev.
Okay. So, where is the garland?
Yes, Amol.
Who arranged?
So, deixa ele mais nada. So, deixa ele mais nada. Okay.